Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating essentials so the crash isn't hiding in setup. Check dataset paths, file permissions, and free disk space first. These cause many abrupt failures. Next, confirm Python and dependency versions plus GPU drivers are compatible with your framework. Once done, run a minimal reproducible test. One batch on CPU, then one on GPU. That isolates I/O versus compute issues and gets you immediate evidence to act on without redoing full training. You now narrow down where it breaks by making the failure repeatable. Enable detailed logging and capture full stack traces with deterministic seeds so runs are comparable. Then profile resource usage. Monitor memory, CPU, and GPU over time to spot peaks or leaks. Once you see the pattern, substitute components one at a time, a smaller model, different data loader, or disabled augmentations, and change batch size. This pinpoints whether the bug is code, data, or resources. You finish by applying the targeted fix and proving stability. Patch the specific bug, upgrade or pin libraries, or reduce batch size and change caching behavior. Once patched, validate with longer runs, multiple seeds, and a CI test to ensure the crash is gone, not masked. Make sure to add guards, checkpointing, out-of-memory handling, resource limits, and alerts so future crashes are detected early. If it fails again, check logs and reproduce the minimal failing case immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.